But today I decided to start off with a nice winter lookbook, an after holidays lookbook. But I just want to show you what I've been wearing for the cold California weather, okay? 60 degrees is really cold for me, okay? So don't judge. If you are watching this video right now, make sure you go down below to subscribe. The big red button that says subscribe, that's where you're supposed to click. So now you're a part of my family and we can be family. I'm feeling pretty lucky today, so we're gonna go outside and we're gonna pose and hopefully it's not gonna be cold. Guys, if you enjoyed this week's video, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. If you're gonna comment down below, let me know something about your holidays, or you can just say what your goals are for the new year. I mean, although that you don't need a new year to start over, or to begin fresh, or to begin a new goal, you can do that every day. Bye, y'all.